Nanatiling dalawa ang parliamentary district representatives sa Cotabato City para sa gaganaping 2025 BARM parliamentary election sa October 13 at hindi tatlo. Ito ang kumpirmasyon mula kay Cotabato City Election Officer, Attorney Nabil Mutya. Ibig sabihin, ayon kay Attorney Mutya, ipinagpatuloy ng COMELEC ang 73 seats na pagbobotohan sa halalan kung saan 40 dito ang manggagaling sa Parliamentary Political Party, 25 ang posisyon ng Parliamentary District Representatives at 8 ang Sectoral Representatives.
Diba, kung naalala nyo, sinuspend mo na yung printing ng official ballots na gagamitin for the BARM Zamora parliamentary election. But then, just nung isang araw ata or kahapon, kinontinue ulit yung pagprinta ng printing ng ballots. And based on the original na, yung without the redistricting, yung bagong redistricting. So as is tayo, na ang Cotabato City, 2 distrito pa din. So, hindi kinonsider ng COMELEC yung Bangsamoro Autonomy Act na bagong pinalabas na distributing the 7 seats from Sulu to the other provinces and cities of BARM. So, ulitin ko, ang piniprint po na ballots ngayon ng COMELEC is yung original po na mga districting, meaning yung 25 without the 7 seats from the Sulu. Of course, siyempre, yung ating 40, yung ating regional parliamentary political parties, kasama rin po yung 7 parties na sumama. But then, yung sa parliamentary district representatives, 25 po yung na position, yung available buong sa BARM, 2 distrito para sa Cotabato City.